Hello. So today we are going to add few new features in our social network API. This is the social network API in Laravel that allows you to create posts and user can comment on post and they can likes and they can make friends and they can chat with them. So right now we are going to allow users to delete a comment. So whenever you comment on a post, you should be able to delete it. So we will allow only the user who created the post to delete the comment and the user who write the comment. For example, if user A commented on post of user B, then both users should be able to delete that comment. So first we are going to write the API. We will create the route inside our auth middleware. So only authenticated users should be able to delete the comment, and the API route should be post comment and delete. And the function that we are going to call is inside our post controller class, and it should be delete comment. Now we need to create this function in our this controller. So we are going to copy this, save this, and now we will open our post controller. Here we will create our function. So first we are going to get the ID of comment. Then we are going to fetch the comment. So this will be this will be from this table, this post comments table, and we will get the post ID as well. So we will join with post table, and then we will check if comment is posted by me or if post is created by me, and if yes, then we are going to delete that comment. So first we need to make sure that user provides the ID in the API. So we are just going to copy this and paste here. And after that we will first check if first we will get the user, authenticated user, then we will get the ID, the comment ID. Then we are going to fetch the comment from comments table, and we need to join it with post table. And the table name is post comments. So it will be like this, post comments, and we will be joining with this is our post table. So we will match this post ID column with this ID. And post ID is equal to post comments dot post ID, and we are going to fetch post comments ID. Post comments dot user ID as comment user ID, and we are going to fetch post dot user ID as post user ID. So we will have two columns post user ID and comment user ID. And we are going to save it by comment. First, we will make sure that this comment actually exists in our database. So if comment is equal to null, then we are going to return an error. And simply copy this and paste here. And change the response error to comment not found. Now we need to check this, that if comment is posted by me or if post is created by me. So I will simply check if comment of this comment user ID is equal to user ID. That means that the authenticated user ID, or if comment or if post user ID is equal to my ID. So if the comment is posted by me or if the post is created by me, then only I can delete it. So I will simply do delete table and post comments and match the ID where ID is equal to ID, and I'm going to delete it. And then I will return the response as well that the comment has been deleted. Instead of this, I will say comment has been deleted, and in this case the status should be success. And if this condition it does not meet, then we are going to again return an error that you are not authorized to delete the comment. Move it step and change this to error as well. And here I will simply write that you are unauthorized. Okay, now we are going to test this API. First, we are going to add user in it. So I will write curl command. The method should be post, and the data should be and the API route will be the registration API. That is register. Okay, so I will call it. And it says that the account has been created. And you will see that account is created. Now I will create another account for second user, and I will say name to email to password should be same. Okay, now I should have two accounts. Okay, now I need to create a post from user 1, but first I need to log in with that user. So I will call the login API, and I just need to send the email and password. So I will log in with simple. Okay, it will provide me the access token that I will use in the headers of post API to write a post. So we are going to call this API post create and pass the header to it. So I will write curl x. The method should be post, and I will write caption as hello world, and I will pass headers, authorization, bearers, and in here I will place the token I have generated from login API. So I'll simply copy this and paste here and call the API post create. So it says that the post has been created. Let's check if it has been created with the user now. So it's fine. Now we are going to write a comment on this post. So to write a comment, we have an API post comment. So now we will call it post comment, and in parameters we have to send the comment. I will just verify that this is the function inside our post controller. Let me search for it. Okay, so it is accepting ID. It should be the post ID and the comment. So I will send the ID of post. We are getting the ID as 1 and comment, and I will say this nice. So it says that comment has been added. So let's check. Okay, the comment has been added. Now we are going to call our new API that we have just created to delete the comment. And this is the API route that we need to call. So I will write post comment delete, and everything else should be same except for the parameters. So I will only need to pass the ID of comment. So first I will try with passing the wrong ID to check if it is working fine. Okay, command not found. Now I will send the right ID, that is D1. So I will try to change the user from database to make sure that I should get the unauthorized user this time. So let's say I'm going to change it to none to, and we will also change the user as well of post. So I will say that Adnan2 has created the post and Adnan2 has commented on a post, and now the user 1 is trying to delete the comment. So now it should return me an error for unauthorized. Okay, now it say that I am not authorized to delete it. But if I change it back to the original, the user 1, now it should allow me to delete it. Okay, comment has been deleted. Okay, so it is working fine, and I will also change the user back to the original user. So our delete comment API is working fine now, and I hope that you have learned something new from this. And if you need any help in this, or if anything confuses you, feel free to contact me in the comments.